Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about what to do after 12th grade. This is the point where most of the students will be stuck up. But don't worry, I am here to give you some tips to opt your great career. And now coming to my introduction, this is Jahnavi and you are watching Study with Jahnavi channel. If you are still new to this channel, go to my channel and have a look. If it is useful, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get all my notifications on. And now let's move into the topic.
Now that class 12th results are out and college is over, it is time to take the all-important decision to what to do next. With innumerable options available today, deciding a career path can be very difficult. It may even seem daunting and overwhelming. You can be filled with doubts despite the best advice from friends and family and wonder if what you are doing is right. If you already know which career path to take, then you must be preparing for entrance exams or getting ready to fill college applications. However, if you are part of the select few with no clue what to do next, now just look up on the video. Number 1. Know your interests. Since the decision to pursue a career after class 12 is such an important one, you will get a lot of advice from your family and friends. However, it is crucial that you choose a direction that aligns with your interests and aptitude. If you are interested in a traditional career such as an engineer, doctor, or a business professional, it is best to go with a course in the same stream. But if you are a bird with different colored feathers and wanted to pursue a career in music or the arts or want to become an actor, you should opt for a course in line with your creative pursuits or a stream that allows you to follow them. Number 2. Choose the right course. These days, there are numerous courses that one can take up to suit their career path. You have the option of a degree course, a diploma course, weekday course, weekend course, or even distance learning or part-time studies. Thoroughly understand the course particulars, syllabus, and teaching methodology, and then take a decision. Try and reach out to alumni or seniors studying there currently to get an idea of what it would be like. Number 3. Know the future prospects. Now you know what your interests are and how you can train yourself to pursue those interests. It becomes important to evaluate the future prospects of the line that you have chosen. Though pursuing your interest should be the primary motivator, the financial viability of the career path should be given its due importance as well. If the above mentioned steps still do not give you clarity regarding the path you should take, try the reverse approach. In this approach, visualize yourself professionally a few years into the future. Once you know that goal, plan in reverse to understand the qualifications that will help you achieve that goal. For an example, if you want to be a pilot, plan in reverse and find out the stream or course that best suits the need of your career. Accordingly, choose a course that will help you achieve that goal. And however, if you are still not clear about what path to take, don't fret. Choose a degree in a subject that interests you and continue to research. Participate in college activities and interact with people from different professions. Do your best where you are, and eventually you will find your way.
And that's it for this session. I hope you all like this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will get all my notifications on. And if you have any queries or suggestions, you can just comment us below or you can just mail us. The mail will be displaying on the screen right here. And also you can just follow us on social media. The links are given in the description box. Go through the links and follow us on social media. Thank you.